to many natural progression of things that they will go decide.
You're making a very, very, very important point here. And if people think alike and who would like to see change should work together. So I would like to see that as one of the outcomes of this meeting here. That there could be follow-up in terms of working together so that we could effectuate. You can't change the world as a team, so but you could start changing the community gradually and the grassroots level. Very important.
And the other thing, I think we need to engage people at leadership level. I mean, our experience in Guyana, one of the experience among others, we used to get 3 days. You know, 50 of us get 3 different days. And we were tired now that everybody observed Eid al-Fitr and had the same day since 1990 since 2006. Right? So, and taking out the diverse opinion, Hanafi, Shafi, Maliki, Salafi, Khalafi, and everybody on board. So, so there's an experience. And I believe we can move forward, but we will have to take our and do things in this way.
Okay. All right. Any other questions? Okay, yeah.
Just a quick comment. One of the points to solve this here, and I think it's 2 issues regarding education. One is, as masses, we have to say the importance of education. Right? Without education, we continuously have differences, and even some differences that are ridiculous differences. Right? So, firstly is education, and the second thing is the method of education. What you find with educators now is that once they know, even though that teacher knows the 3 positions, because they hold fast to one position, that's the only position they let the masses know. Rather than let them know this is the strongest position. However, you may find others doing this and this. Their evidence is based on this and this. Why I follow this is because this hadith is weak. This one is Hassan. However, and then also educate them how to deal with differences. That's a major deficiency because persons are taught one way. So if they see the other way, they automatically refuse and say, no, that is not the sunnah, that's not how I learned it. I think that's a great deficiency. One is that generally we don't see the importance of education, of knowledge. And secondly, the method of how we educate in terms of restricting knowledge. Even when we do know the differences, I think that's one of the deficiencies. So the masses themselves, they don't know the position. So like, for example, a different Sheikh al-Albani says that when you get up, putting the hand here is bid'ah. Right? Sheikh bin Baz says that this is sunnah and this is in his sunnah. Right? Now Sheikh al-Albani for Sheikh bin Baz, he puts his hand up. Right? So the students ask, why do you do this? He says, look, the precedence is that we follow the Imam. This is based on his understanding. So even though he has a difference of opinion, they have strong differences in certain positions. But yet still they work together. This is something that we don't find amongst even the physicians. I don't like using these words scholars, because personally, in my opinion, there's no scholar in this region. Right? There's no scholar in the Caribbean that I'm over. There's no scholar. Right? Because scholars know how to deal with differences. Students of knowledge are students of these scholars, are students of the students of the students. They are the ones who really don't know how to deal with these differences. So I think that's just my opinion, that we need to see what the knowledge is and seek it. And secondly, those who are educated need to educate in a method that will, in terms of people know how to work with differences.
So we need to address the issue of ethics of difference, handling, differences. Yeah. Yeah. Go ahead. Could you speak a bit louder?
General understanding is that as long as you have a certain level of Islamic knowledge or covered a certain amount of Islamic study, you have to have it is a little defined by how much information gathered or how much work and how much understanding is able to carry out.
Okay. Thank you very much. Any other questions? I'd like to get questions. Yeah? Okay. while perhaps you're thinking about the questions, I just want to make a comment, and I'd like to ask the panel to, to respond to it. In our community, a lot of times, people do not seem to understand priorities. What are the, major things and what are the minor things? Or, to use some Arabic terms, what might be fard and what might be sunnah. What is not so important, what is important, right? And cannot differentiate between those things. And put sometimes the sunnah above what is fard. Okay? And you have a lot of differences, conflict, in the community, and so they make everything equally important. Right? Everything is important in the same way. Right? So you have minor things, like with the prayer and so on, with salah, people become enemies with each other over that. It creates a lot of differences. It creates a lot of splitting in the community. People don't talk to each other, and stuff like that, right? A lot of animosity and so on. So I would like to and this sort of has been continuing in the community. Right? So I don't know how we can really deal with issues like that. Those are very real things, I think, and perhaps we can give some thought about how we approach that kind of thing. Is there any way we can deal with it at all? Yeah.
Several things. First of all, a lot of times people tend to take the approach that there's only one correct opinion or one view on an issue. So it's many times it's whether my position is correct or somebody else's position is correct, and that's the argument. Whilst there might be 3-4 different positions among the scholars based on their understanding of whatever texts and so on are there with respect to that issue. We have a major problem, I think, all over the world, but it's definitely here in the Caribbean as well. Among those who have studied, there is this phenomenon that's called ta'assub. Ta'assub means this rigidity, narrow-mindedness, just seeing things only my way. And unfortunately, many of those who have studied, this is the way they approach legal issues. So inevitably that affects everybody. Because if you have somebody like that leading, let's say, a masjid, this is what they will promote. That our positions, they are the only positions that are correct. So when someone differs with that, it's a problem. If someone comes into the masjid with a different position, or has a different position, he's not tolerated. And so these problems are ongoing, and they lead to so much confusion among the masses of people. I believe this is one of the main reasons why we have these problems. It's not so much necessarily rigidity on the part of the awam, or the general masses. It's more on the part of those who have studied, and they just stick to their positions and hold on to them as being the only truth. If we go back through Islamic history, we'll see that, and the scholars who speak about the evolution of fiqh, so to speak, the Sharia Islamic, they speak about certain era or period of time in which this was very, very strong. And the books which were written in this period, this is the style with which they're written. Every mas'ala, every issue that's dealt with, it is always defended that our opinion is the correct opinion because this dalil, this proof, and we rebut the other proofs from the other positions with this and this and this. So this is the style in that period of time, and that has leaked down, so to speak, to our time. And so you have many of these people who have these type of approaches, which do not help the situation. They just compound it and make it worse. So the way out of this is really, I believe, that those who have studied need to find a way to sit together and have discussions. Sometimes it may be fruitful. I think many times it may not be fruitful. I'm speaking about personal experience. trying to sit with people and discussing and say, you know what, let's respect different positions because they are positions of recognized scholars of Islam. You have different positions on one issue, and they're held by respected scholars of Islam. So let's respect the different positions. You adopt this one, I adopt this position, no problem. Let's not fight with one another about this. But inevitably, it will come back to again, well, my position is correct, yours is wrong. And so that always leads to further confusion.
I guess so. A question?
Yeah, okay. How do you approach like close-mindedness in situations? So like there's one thing to say, okay, well, let's talk about it. When the other person don't want to talk, or don't want to listen, right? How would you go about
Encourage. How do you encourage open-mindedness? Is that what you?
how, no, like,
Yeah.
I got it. That's actually
You want to take that?
You know, just to address that point and some of the other points and the Wazir's point as well, I feel that what's important is that it's the reform of education, and I think that what needs to happen perhaps is building or the founding of indigenous educational institutions. Otherwise, what will happen is that you'll get people from here going to Saudi